हेलो एवरीवन। अब डिस्कस किया जाएगा 2015 के एचपीटेट नॉन मेडिकल के पेपर में आया हुआ केमिस्ट्री पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 121, सोडियम इज केप्ट अंडर केरोसिन ऑयल वाइल फास्फोरस इज केप्ट इन वाटर बिकॉज। सही आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन सी। Sodium reacts vigorously with moisture or water and immediately catches fire, and phosphorus also catches fire when exposed to air or oxygen. Next है 122, which type of the following reaction is? Option D, displacement reaction. 123, the enamel of teeth is not soluble in water but it starts deteriorating when the pH level in the mouth is. सही आंसर less than 5.5. 124, plaster of Paris contain dash molecule of crystallization of water, half H2O. 125, which medicine is used to cure acidity? Option C, antacid. Next है 126, the reactivity order of the following metal is in the order of. सही आंसर ऑप्शन A. 127, which of the following is not an example of natural fiber? Option C, nylon. When lead nitrate is heated, then brown fumes evolved and due to the evolution of gas. सही आंसर नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. 129, aqua regia is a mixture of. सही आंसर रहेगा C, 3 part of concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part of concentrated nitric acid. 130, according to activity series, which of the following is metal is most reactive? सही आंसर ऑप्शन A, कैल्शियम. What is amalgam? सही आंसर रहेगा D, alloy of mercury and any other metal. 132, what product is formed when ethanoic acid reacts with absolute ethanol in the presence of catalyst? ऑप्शन सही रहेगा A, ethyl acetate. 133, the process in which zinc metal is deposited as a layer or iron is called. सही आंसर रहेगा galvanization. ऑप्शन C. 134, bakelite and melamine are the example of. सही आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन C, thermosetting plastic. नेक्स्ट है which substance due to its great commercial importance is called as black gold? Option D, petroleum, a dark oily liquid with unpleasant odor. 136, out of the following which is unit of fuel efficiency? Option A, kilojoule per kilogram. 137, two miscible liquid for which boiling point difference is less than 20 to 25 Kelvin can be separated by which of the following method? Option fractional distillation method, B. 138, how many number of sodium atoms are present in 6.9 gram of sodium elements? सही आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन सी, 1.81 to 10 raised to power 23. Plasma, which is considered fourth state of matter it contains. सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी, particles are super energetic and super excited and are in the form of ionized gas. Particles are super energetic and super excited and are in the form of ionized gases. 140, which of the following solution will show Tyndall effect? सही आंसर मिल्क सॉल्यूशन. 41, which of the following compound nowadays is mixed with petrol and used as a cleaner fuel? सही आंसर है इथेनॉल. 142, Following elements belongs to second period of periodic table. Which element will have largest atomic size among these? सही आंसर रहेगा बेरिलियम। 143. The maximum number of electron in an energy shell of an atom can be predicated by the formula. सही आंसर 2x square। 144. Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment was responsible for discovery of. सही आंसर atomic nucleus। 145. An element A is found in nature as two isotopes with masses 31.4 and 30.4 and in the ratio of 2:3 respectively. The average atomic mass of this element will be. Option B 30.8. What is the chemical formula of bleaching powder? सही आंसर CaOCl2 ऑप्शन ए। Which of the statement about fuel cells is incorrect? सही आंसर रहेगा 147 के लिए। Fuel cells convert electrical energy into heat energy. Option D. 148. Temporary hardness in water is due to the presence of which salt? सही आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन B. Due to the presence of bicarbonate salts of calcium and magnesium. 149. Stainless steel consists of the following elements. सही आंसर ऑप्शन C. नेक्स्ट है 150. When a farmer utilizes slaked lime instead of fertilizers in the soil, it means. सही आंसर soil is largely acidic. Option A.